Hi. It's raining and it's really cold. Okay, so here I go.
She's gonna do rain dance.
Jesus is my friend.
Whoa!
Becca. You know I don't like weather, guys.
Yeah, Becca's afraid of weather. Not storms, weather.
People are coming, they're gonna see me doing mean dance. Oh, I don't think of them.
You creep! Hi!
You're such a creep!
Hi!
You're a creep.
You're a jerk.
Even though Jesus is your friend. So just always remember that,
Airplane. Oh my gosh, I'm 9/11.
Jesus is your friend. I'm your friend. I'm just so in love with
Airplane!
you. Hope doesn't have a sudden bin lung on it. Looks like it's gonna crash.
What?
Looks like it's gonna crash.
It's not gonna crash, Becca. Now you're freaking me out.
It's a funky little tunnel.
Becca, shut up! You're freaking me out.
So we'll do one little victory lap. I'm gonna get killed. Bye!
No, and it was a
What a voice!